Hello, I'm Dr. Sneha Bhagwat, and along with me today I have our yoga guru Sir Bharat Gowde. Today's video we would like to dedicate to all the frontline health workers. As we all know, across the globe, all the frontline health workers are tirelessly working in these tough times. They are continuously at risk and lot of uncertainty when they are on duty. Keeping this in mind, we thought that we would like to suggest some of the simple exercises in yoga which would help them not only to boost their immune system but also to help them keep physically fit and psychologically calm. What are these stretching exercises that each one of the health worker may be in the ward when they have some time for themselves to relax, or when they are a bit away from the duty, or when they come back home, what they could practice to keep their health as well in good status. So let's watch.
It's a few standing things you can do in a duty house. Okay, simple things but more benefits. So first thing is hand in and out breathing. So complete togetherness here, okay, and palms here. Complete shoulder level. Okay, it's called hand in and out breathing. You have to go very slow, very slow. As per your breathing pattern, you have to move your hands. So inhalation, slowly open your hands, separate your palms, and at the same time shift your weight on your toes, but heels on the ground. Chin up, open your chest, expand, complete, ribs open. So full air in your lungs, belly complete inside, lean complete front. Okay. Exhale, slowly come back. Good control, good balance. You can go with the closed eyes. Okay. 5 variations, 5 times you can do this. Okay. 5 repetitions of same hand in and out breathing. Second thing you can do, hand stretch breathing. There are variation. I'll show you 180-degree variation. So interlock here you have to keep your eyes open. Fix your eyes on one point. Okay, black, white, any color. Now inhalation slowly. Everything active because it's all about your balance. For balance, you have to activate your full body. So turn your palms up, heels up. At the same time, everything, your heels, your hands, focus, belly inside, lift nicely as much as you can. Exhale slowly down. Everything slow. Same way you have to come down. Heels down, palms down. Okay? With inhalation, heels up, hands up. Exhalation, hands down, heels down. Okay. 5 repetitions you can do. Then next, little bit separate your both hands. Okay. Side body stretch. So palms here. Head up, full stretch. Exhale, slowly bend towards your opposite side. So down hand hanging freely down. Full stretch. One side stretch and enjoy one side compression. Chin up. So equal weight on both legs, important. Okay, don't go one side. You're disturbing everything, your center of the gravity. So maintain your body on both legs with a straight knee. Crossing hips avoid. So inhalation, come back. Stretch and then sidewise down, opposite side. Stretch nicely, full stretch. Exhale, slowly bend here. So few seconds you have to stay there. With every exhalation, go down, down. Okay, no jerk, slowly slow. Inhale, slowly come back. Stretch nicely and then sidewise down. Okay, now little bit more increased distance as per your height. Open hands. Okay, again side bending with little bit inner thigh stretch also. Stretch, lift up nicely, nice height your shoulders. Okay, so that full spine stretch up. Exhale, slowly bend towards your right side. Inhale, come back to the center. As for your flexibility level. Okay, but with empty stomach. Exhale, slowly down. Here you can keep or you can drop also. Good. Inhalation, slowly up, here, lift, here down, okay, inhalation first, chest breathing, exhale, relax, cool, calm down. Now make sure that the toes pointing front, okay, give weight on your toes, little bit, palms here, again lift, and bend front, go for twisting now, okay, for your spine, so belly flick, back active, roll shoulder, outside, chin up, flat spine, inhalation, exhale, slowly palm towards your right palm towards your left foot and look towards upper part. Here. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, opposite side. Parivrtta Trikonasana. Inhalation, slowly come back, palms down. Okay, take support from your palms and let's little close, shoulder level distance and come up. Now next thing you can do, front back bending. Okay, two way you can go. First slowly, okay, but empty stomach. Okay, but slowly. The second way, swing. Okay, slowly when you are going, simple. Here stretch up. Okay, exhale, push your hips back and bend front here. Inhale, slowly come up. Here, or you can keep your palms here and then Ardha Chakrasana and Padasana. Okay, swinging will be little bit separate legs. Okay, feel inhalation from your nose, slowly, exhalation from your mouth. Okay, it's complete throughout, everything. That will give wonderful energy. But while throwing up, pull your belly inside. Okay, these things you can do. And the last thing you can do, that is for your concentration, balance, physical, mental, both. Okay, now you can fix your left foot nicely, right here. You can stay here or here. Vrikshasana, tree pose. Eyes fixed. As per your strength, as per your balance, okay, with the natural breathing, lift everything up and then sidewise down. Same you can go for opposite side. Okay, yes, thank you.
So these are some of the standing stretches which are very important to keep each one of us physically fit when we are continuously working, when we are in the wards. This stretches definitely helps us to keep our body physically maintained and also tries to keep us away from different types of stress or different types of negativity that we may encounter during these challenging times. I'm sure that every one of us would practice this and help ourselves to be safe and strong. Thank you so much. Also, I would like to tell you that we are making a series of these exercises and breathing techniques which will help each of the health worker to fight out this pandemic. Thank you.